let's learn how to make bold text in WhatsApp. So if you want to put focus on a specific message and make it a little bold, then you can easily do that. The process is absolutely the same on both iPhone and Android devices, and you just want to make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp before starting this. So I'm going to open WhatsApp and I'll open a conversation in which I want to send bold text. And let's start making our messages bold. In order to do that, we will have to add a little asterisk symbol on both sides of the messages. The asterisk symbol is this symbol here, and just add it to the beginning and the end of the message, and WhatsApp will recognize that you want to make that specific message bold. If I send the message in the conversation, it won't have the symbols at the start and the end of the message, it will just be bold. You can see the difference between a regular message, which I've sent right here, and the bold message. Just add that little asterisk symbol, and that's it. If this video helped you out and you want more similar WhatsApp tutorial videos like this one, then make sure to check out the WhatsApp playlist from the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.